Medical malpractice lawyers in New York City. A medical malpractice lawyer in New York can ensure that you receive justice and compensation in case of injury or death due to medical malpractice. There are many lawyers in New York specializing in medical malpractice cases. There are also many medical practitioners who have decided to practice exclusively in medical malpractice law because they recognize the need for specialized expertise in this specialized field of medical law. These lawyers know the importance of providing prompt and effective medical care for the patient, thereby ensuring a speedy recovery from injuries suffered due to medical malpractice. There are many advantages of contacting a lawyer specializing in medical malpractice law. One advantage is that these professionals know all about medical malpractice law and know how to deal with all kinds of injury cases. They are aware of various medical procedures that may have been adopted by doctors and surgeons to treat a particular injury or ailment. They are aware of the various techniques that are effective in dealing with medical malpractice cases. This knowledge helps them to understand the situation of the patient and help them get the deserved compensation as soon as possible. A medical malpractice lawyer in New York can help the victim get a suitable lawyer and file the case within a stipulated time. The victim and the family members of the victim have to cooperate in the process of filing a lawsuit. If cooperation is there, chances of winning the case are higher. This results in saving the victims money that would have gone into a legal defense or medical expenses. The lawyers who are specially qualified in handling medical cases are very well aware of the various medical conditions that might have led to the victim being injured. Thus they can advise their clients accordingly on the basis of their individual understanding of the case. When the case is filed, the lawyer makes sure that it is done in the prescribed order. He follows all the necessary steps to ensure that the process of the lawsuit runs smoothly. Most importantly, he ensures that all the requisite documents are gathered and submitted along with the required fees to the court along with the requisite personal injury claim forms. The personal injury attorney who is qualified in handling such cases is well aware of all the complexities of the law so that he can fight effectively on the victim's behalf. Medical malpractice lawsuits happen to be one of the most common types of personal injury cases. There are many attorneys who deal in these types of cases and they all follow their own distinct procedures in filing the lawsuits. It is therefore important for you to choose the best lawyer who is experienced in handling medical, personal injury cases. You can search online and find out more about the law firms in your city that deal in these types of cases. You can also find out whether they are taking up your case and whether they can help you get a fair compensation. The New York State Bar Association has details of all the lawyers in New York who are competent enough to handle your case. This information will help you make your choice. This is the first thing that you need if you're unfortunate enough to suffer from this type of lawsuit. However, you should be aware of the fact that the legal costs involved may also be very high. Therefore, you should be prepared to pay a lot of money if you want to ensure that you get justice. For more info and to schedule your free consultation, contact us now. Thank you for watching.